Hey John, we called you earlier and my name is Lee Turbianic. We were doing some research in your area and came across your site. Figured we'd shoot you this quick video to show you 3 things that you could do today to beat your competition online. I know you said you get these calls once a week and I don't doubt that, but I'm going to provide and show you some valuable information that I feel you needed to see. So hopefully you gain something from this, and feel free to reach back out afterwards. But the main things I want to talk about is content, citations, and backlinks. So when I say content, Google likes to see 1,500 words of content on a homepage, and that's so you can fit your important keywords throughout it that you want to be found for. So you got to think Google is just a crawling website, and all it can do is read. So if you don't have enough information along with those important keywords, it's not going to rank you for what you want to be found for, nor rank you high for it. So I just did a quick search for plumber anchorage. And as we scroll down, I'm not seeing you anywhere in this map pack, and I'm not seeing you show up down here in this organic section on the first page. So who is showing up though is Circle Plumbing and Heating. You probably heard of them. So let's go look at their site. So as we go, they have a nice layout, services. However, they don't have a contact form up here. And it comes to content. That's the main thing we're looking for. They have reviews popping out, but no content. So if we were to go out and get that 1,500 words of keyword-rich content, we would easily beat them in that aspect. So the second thing was citations, which is what ranks you in this map pack. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number listed in directories all across the web. So I wanted to see how many Anchorage Plumbing and Heating has, and as I put them in this local citation finder website that I pay for monthly, plugged in all their information, it's showing me that they have 49 citations to claim that #1 spot. That's very beatable. And good thing for this site, it shows me where they're getting their citations from. So Facebook, Yelp, Bing, BBB, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. And as you can see, these strong numbered ones, now the 100 being the strongest, these are all well-known websites. I mean, everybody's heard of these, correct? As we get down here to these, Research Giant, Plumber Hub, they might not have heard of these. These aren't transferring as much power. So you want to go after these strong, relevant websites to get your citation sources. And I suggest, we can grab all these. Look at submittable, submit your listing for these, and it has to be word for word with your listing. But go grab all these, and then we go and add 100 to 200, beat these guys out, and get up in this top 3. And also, that's going to get your name out there in more directories, so people, whenever they're searching in this one or that one, they'll be able to find you. So who do you think Google's going to put up here in this map pack? The guy with 49 citation sources all over with the powerful ones, or Joe Schmo who just has a website? They're going to put the one who has the most pull with their name in all those directories. So that's the citations, and that deals with the map pack. Now down here, this is the organic section, and this deals with your website directly. And as you can see, Circle Plumbing and Heating is in first place. So I have another tool I use called Ahrefs, and this shows me all your site stats. It shows me your backlinks, your organic keywords, traffic that you're getting, and your scores. So when it comes to backlinks, that is what ranks you here. So a backlink is when another website links back to your website. And you want to get relevant backlinks pointing back to you. You don't want, say, Pizza Hut giving you guys a backlink because you don't sling pizzas for a living. You'd want another plumbing website or an HVAC company talking about plumbing and then link to your website in one of those words, because Google counts those as votes. Because the more people that would send their traffic from their website to your website, Google says, wow, if they're willing to do that, they must be legit, and we're going to put them up high. So like I said, you guys have 23 and a 13, about 2,000 backlinks, but out of all those backlinks, only 20 of them are transferring in power, and that's the do follow links. So if you had 2,000 backlinks, which you do, this number, if they were strong, should be a 30 or 40. So that tells me that your backlink, or if you have somebody doing it, they're not doing that great of a job. I hate to say that, but only 20 of them are giving you any power out of the 59 total websites that are linking to you. But you are ranking for 118 keywords, and you're getting about 200 traffic. But now let's look at the top guy, the guy that's in first place here, which is Circle Plumbing and Heating. Boom. His numbers aren't much better than yours. He's got a 29 and 3.2. He does have a couple more do follow backlinks than you, but look at his traffic. He quadruples you right now, and that's because of this. So look at, he's got plumber, anchorage. These are all keywords that are showing up This shows me the volume, the KD, and how much traffic and position. So there's 250 people a month looking for plumber in Anchorage. And he's in first place. We know we could beat him. He's getting almost 80 people to his website. That's 80 jobs he's getting if he closed them all from just having this keyword and ranking in the first position for it. But what else? Anchorage Plumbing with the ing at the end. 200. Anchorage Plumbing and Heating. 900 searches alone. You could make a living off of this one if you were ranked #1 and really took over the map pack and ads and the organic for this keyword. That's 900 people a month looking for an Anchorage Plumbing and Heating. So plumbers, Anchorage, 150. Anchorage plumbers, 150. There's tons of search volume. It's just you're not being found for it. So let's see what you are being found for at this, and let's see what kind of positions you're in. So you're being found for plumber Anchorage, but you're in the 4th position. You're not getting much traffic. Plumbing Anchorage, 150, 4th. So you are on the first page, but down towards the bottom. I have the SEO and the power to get you above that hump and take you right to #1 with my tactic and my backlinks. I have very powerful link juice and backlinks that could take you right there, and you would be pulling these type of numbers like Circle Plumbing. We would knock him out of the water, and you'd be getting this 800 traffic rather than your 200 a month right now. So I wanted to just shoot you this video. I know you said you weren't interested, but hopefully you see the value in it, and I can hopefully help you out with this. So let's talk about what we went over. The first thing was content. 1,500 words on your homepage with those keywords specifically pointed out in them. And what that looks like is right here. Again, this website we built is for a plumber. Contact form, click the call buttons, but the keywords, boom, Woodland Hills Plumber. In the content, Woodland Hills Plumber. Down even further, again, plumber in Woodland Hills, because that's a different one. It has an in it. Plumber Woodland Hills CA. You got to get all variations because everybody types something different. You never know what they're going to type. And luckily with the programs I have, we can figure out all different variations, how many times, and we know what to target. So that was content. Second thing was citations, which is your name, address, and phone number and directories across the web. I could get 100 to 200 of these for you guys. Powerful. Get you up in this top map pack, and you're going to see a big change in traffic coming from just here. About 40% of all clicks come through this section alone. And then the third thing was backlinks and SEO. You need more relevant sites pointing at your site to show Google that you guys are the authority rather than Circle Plumbing. And if you do that, you could be #1 across Google and really pull in some business traffic with some buyer intent keywords. So I look forward to hearing from you, John. I thank you for watching. Hopefully you watch this, and feel free to reach out, call, or text at any time. My name is Lee, 570-240-5257. I am the owner of Diamond City Digital Marketing, Inc., and you'll be speaking with me directly. Thank you for watching.